Hey everyone! Want to create a super cute 3D character for your videos, games, or social media without any design skills? Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to turn a photo into a playful 3D character in just minutes. In 3 easy steps, you'll learn how to make a character like a young boy dressed like Mr. Donald Trump, holding an iced coffee. Let's dive in. Creating a 3D character with ChatGPT is so simple, even if you've never done it before. We'll use a free ChatGPT account and a photo to generate a unique design. Follow these 3 steps to bring your character to life. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. First, you need to access ChatGPT, a free AI tool that can help you create amazing designs. Here's how to start. Go to chatgpt.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Log in and you'll see a clean interface with a text box at the bottom. This is where you'll interact with ChatGPT. If you're new, don't worry. It's super easy to use. Just make sure you're using the latest version like GPT-4 for the best results. That's it. You're ready to create. Check the description for the ChatGPT link. Step 2. Upload a photo. Next, you'll upload a photo to use as a reference for your character. For this example, I'm using a photo of Mr. Donald Trump, but you can use any image like a celebrity or yourself. Here's how to do it. Click the paperclip icon in the ChatGPT text box to upload an image. Select your photo from your computer, make sure it's clear and shows the outfit you want, like a suit for our Trump example. Once uploaded, ChatGPT will confirm it's ready. This photo will guide the AI to match the character's clothing style. Pro tip: use a high-quality image for better results. Let's move to the fun part. Step 3. Write the prompt. Now you'll tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of 3D character you want, using a specific prompt. This is where the magic happens. Here's how to write it. In the ChatGPT text box, type this prompt exactly as shown in the description. A cute, stylized 3D character of a young boy dressed the same as in the photo reference and holding an iced coffee. The character playfully sits on the edge of a Polaroid-style photo frame, with one leg dangling outside. The background features a soft, scenic view, and the hand holding the photo wears a butterfly bracelet. The character has a cheerful, expressive face that adds to the playful vibe. After typing "hit send," ChatGPT will generate a visual of your character. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the prompt, but you can copy the prompt in the description into a 3D design tool like Blender later. Review the output and tweak the prompt if needed, like changing boy to girl. Your character is ready to shine. Save the output and start using it in your projects. That's it. You just learned how to create a cute 3D character with ChatGPT in 3 simple steps. Now you can make characters for videos, games, or social posts like a pro. Try different photos or prompts to get creative. Maybe a character holding a pizza next time. If you hit any issues, check the ChatGPT link in the description. What character will you create first? Share it in the comments. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner tutorials, and hit the bell for updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.